Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A16 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard, for example in messages, notes, or whenever you want to. Simply have the keyboard on the screen, like that. And all we have to do right now is to simply enter the settings, which are on this panel. If you cannot find them, no worries, 3 dots icon and they should appear right here. You can always tap on it, hold it and drag it to this section in order, of course, to have much faster access to it. So let's enter the settings, let's tap on the languages, which should be at the very top, and this is the list of previously added and applied to languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on Add Keyboard, and as you can see, after that we've been immediately transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. So basically all you have to do is to simply find the language you'd like to set and tap on it, and I will pick let's say graphical language in order to show you the difference. So let me pick Assyrian. Sometimes you will also be able to pick the region, so simply tap on the one you'd like to set. Usually you will have plenty of keyboard types, so again you can pick the one you like the most and tap on Done. And as you can see, the language has been immediately applied, so we can go back to the keyboard and check. And here we've got actually two differences. So first of all, the spacebar is not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using, and next to it we've got the globe icon, which is the language key, and it will allow us to change the language. So right now I'm typing English, but after tapping on this globe icon, I can easily switch to the Assyrian one. Let me tap on it again, and again English. So actually this is it. This is how to change the language, and now let me show you how to remove the language, because sometimes you do not really need like 2, 3 or 4 different languages added. So let's simply tap on the settings again, come back to the languages, and here we have to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to mark the language, in my case Assyrian, and tap on the trash bin icon. And as you can see, we've got only English left, and after getting back we can see that the keyboard looks like in the first seconds of this tutorial, so the spacebar is empty. What's more, we cannot find the language key. So actually this is it. This is how to change keyboard language in your OPPO A16. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.